stuff to put your stuff here. And now here you got like 1, 2 café cubano to my crib. So over here, you know, we got the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? You got the toilet there, you do your business, you got the shower, you know what I'm saying? Over here you got, you know, the essentials, you know what I'm saying? You got you get your stuff to put your stuff here. And now here you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beds. And then you got an AC, and you already know the AC don't work. It's not even plugged in. This shit is, you know, someone just needed an extra plug there, so it's not there, you know what I'm saying? And but of course, you know, we got the fan up there, you know what I'm saying? And out there you got the views, but right now you can't see because it's dark. So all you see is like deep dark depression. But that's my crib, y'all. Isn't it fun? Yeah. What bed should I sleep on tonight? Maybe all 8. That's what I'm gonna do.
Gracias.
They got a bunch of like different office spaces here, but I chose the outdoors because I can drink, I can smoke, and I can be by the peaceful river, Colombia. I'm never leaving. I'm here forever. Look at the amount of dogs this guy's walking. Jesus. Mucho perro, mucho doggies.